guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Casey and I'm currently on my way to get an RV. It's in Pennsylvania. It was about like 2 hours away, but we are on our way to go see it. Stay tuned to see how it is. So we are currently basically here to pick up the RV, and something unexpected happened. So we were initially prepared for anything and everything. We got to the guy's house and he was actually on a test drive, and now we're on.
There she is.
It actually broke down on the side of the road and we're coming to rescue it. So this is what we got going on. So long story short, we ended up getting it up and running again, just enough to get it back to the guy's house so we could fix the underlying issue. But yeah, we were there for about 3.5 hours. We were prepared to do most of the work, but they actually were a huge help in getting it ready for us. Hey guys, just coming in on an update. So we got the RV and everything, and we have driven it quite a bit back home, but Dylan says, because Dylan's driving it, I'm not, he's having some carburetor issues. When we're going uphill, it slows down, so it's like, oh my goodness. So that's how everything's going. I'm wearing a mask while I'm driving because we have some gasoline here and it keeps on smelling. Hey guys, so we are currently on the side of the road again. Dylan's fixing something, and yeah, this is crazy. I mean, the view's nice. Look, the view is so beautiful. Wow, look at that. I have to get through here to get to the door. And on my way out, I got a freaking splinter in my hand. Hello.
See a pair of pliers.
No. So what are we doing, Dylan?
We're taking a carburetor off with a massive fucking... Well, not massive. Taking a carburetor off, putting another carburetor on. I'm praying to God that we can get home.
So we got the RV running, and we're stopped again, and as you can see in the back, we're in a bit of a pickle, so here we go. We're like literally in the most...
Gotta cool down so I can check the water.
Okay.
Put it over, it was overheating.
We're literally in the most bougie...
I feel so bad, like, but I literally looked down, saw we were heating up, and I just had to pull over.
We let the RV cool down a little bit, and we actually went to the nearest gas station, which was down the road, and this is what happened. Well...
When it stops, we'll investigate.
So unfortunately, I did not get too much of what was going on that night, but it was quite the night. We spent about like 5, maybe 6 hours in that same spot. It's currently 8 o'clock and we've made it out about 20 miles out from where we were. So that's cool. But Dylan figured out what the issue was, and we're gonna fix it. You know, I haven't ate, we haven't ate, and we're both starving. So pray for us, please. Again, not much footage of what was going on, but there's Dylan trying to figure out what the heck was going on. But Dylan eventually figured it out, and we were able to make it home safely.
I'm just so happy to be home.
It is currently
It's been one fucking
12. Yeah, so we got home and we were super exhausted, so we just went straight to bed. So guys, this is the RV that we got. It is a 1984 Fleetwood Pace Arrow, and as you can see, it's busted. So I completely forgot to mention it was free. Basically what it looks like. It needs to be cleaned really badly, so, but yeah, so follow me and basically just look at the whole thing. So this is the condition of it. Back here is like the worst part as far as dirt. All needs to be cleaned. There's a bit, like if there's an area over here that needs to be fixed really badly, and Dylan can fix that apparently. So, but that's gonna be a big job. So far, in top, Dylan looked at it as well, and it was actually not that bad. I mean, of course, most of the stuff is going to need to be replaced. The awnings on this window actually came off on the drive home, and I was actually, so Dylan was driving it, and I was behind, and luckily it didn't hit me because it was very close to hitting me. But that is off. We have this hole here from the awning that Dylan's gonna fiberglass, and then also the top awning is gone as well, and we ripped that also, and that's the evidence. So then we have here's the condition of the wheels. It basically looks the same all around. Dylan said we're gonna sandblast this and re-chrome it and see what that does. And eventually, actually, the tires were actually in pretty good shape on driving home, but of course we're gonna invest in replacing those tires. But here's the door. I'm gonna close this, and I'll show you guys that later. And got windows. Oh, my bad. There we go. Yeah, that's basically it all around. Stay tuned for the inside. We got home really late last night, around 12. We had a lot of issues, but we finally made it. So come on in. Obviously, you open up the door and here it is. It is a complete mess. So we did a lot of work here, so a lot of our stuff is here. But mainly, it's not ours. So we have a lot of pillows here. So we have a lot of pillows here. This carpet has got to go. These chairs has got to go. This couch, I'm pretty sure also has to go. But so far the cabinets are intact. The foundation is basically there, which is super nice, but obviously a lot of this has got to go. This fridge does not work. It looks in pretty good condition, but it doesn't work, so we're gonna replace that for sure. There's a lot of storage in here. Nasty. And then you turn around here, and we have the shower, which basically also has to go. This needs to be redone. I don't know how this works. Oh, okay, so this unlatches, and then it's this ugly thing here. So there's that. And then here's the bathroom. So that's what it looks like. Not bad, but also not good. Gotta go. And then we have the bedroom, which I would sit down on, but it's nasty. So we got a few little mosquitoes, some bugs, some dirt, and yeah, there's also these cabinets here, if you can see that. There's some blankets in there, which I thought about using during our troubles last night. But I haven't really done much exploring because I don't want to get up on here. But these cabinets so far, I think, are also empty. Okay, I'm gonna try to get back here. Nasty. Ew, it's so nasty. There's these. But basically, all cabinets all around. I think these are speakers, which is interesting. But this bed gotta get replaced, I'm pretty sure. Dylan said, you know, we might be thinking about sanitizing it, but I'm thinking about doing all that. These stands here, gotta go. I think that'll leave a lot of space for us to walk around and all that stuff and make it a lot more open. Here we have just another overview of the interior. Again, there's just trash and dirt all over everything. We do have water damage on the roof and on that side wall when you walk in. But yeah, here's the bathroom again, and you'll see the bed. Looks pretty good. And then the bathroom. And stay tuned for the whole cleaning process. Hey guys, so I messed up and thought that I had done a time lapse of us cleaning the entire thing. But so far, we have basically gotten rid of all the carpet, the pillows, everything that was in the drawers, the cabinets, the bathroom. But we basically got everything done and out of there, and now we are going to vacuum everything. So hopefully I will get that on time lapse. If not, it's still in. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start vacuuming and cleaning. So we vacuumed the interior, and now it was time to power wash it, and this took a long time. Obviously there's a buildup of dirt over the decade. But yeah, here's some satisfying videos of us power washing. So we cleaned the inside and we power washed the outside, and it honestly has completely transformed as is. Okay, Dylan's gonna take you on a whole walk around. Alright, so that is how it looks. Now I'm going to bring you inside. Before, as you guys saw, there's a whole bunch of pillows, dirt, dead bugs, a lot of dead bugs, and it was just really dirty. But as you can see, everything's cleared out. We still do have to do a little bit more detailing, but for the majority of it, it's pretty clean. So this is the kitchen. Ignore all the stuff that's on here, but basically there's a lot of stuff on here as well. We vacuumed this countertop, and we also vacuumed underneath these cabinets. It was super dirty. There was a lot of dry rot in there, but now it's cleared out and all clean. So that's that. This was already clean as is. The bathroom was fine as well, but it did obviously just need a little bit of vacuuming, so that's all pretty clear. Same with the bathroom. Not much has been done with this, just vacuumed. I do need to wipe that a little bit, but it's nothing I need to be worried about right now. But now is the bedroom. So basically everything's just vacuumed and clean. There's a lot of dead bugs right around that corner, and it was not pleasant to clean. But yeah, that is the whole thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week.